Today is a pinpoint weather alert day. Right now you are seeing some video from this morning. You're looking at Highway 86 near Lyman, which was closed at I-70 because of the strong winds that you can see right here in this video whipping across the state. We do want to check in with meteorologist Liz McGiffin to get the latest on pinpoint weather.
Well, really, the wind was one of the bigger things driving some of the pinpoint weather alerts that we were putting out. In fact, even though most areas saw at least some snow, it was the wind blowing it around that has created some of those most dangerous conditions. You'll notice the latest reports out toward Hugo, over 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts have been reported through the day. Out by Arapahoe into Cheyenne Wells, even Lyman, 70-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts so far. Burlington, 67-mile-per-hour wind gust. And then it was yesterday evening that the Denver area had a 58-mile-per-hour wind gust. And on top of that, we've been seeing the snowfall pile up as well, especially up towards spots like Copper Mountain into Vail, Breckenridge, anywhere from 9 to 13 inches of snow. Pass level 6 to 7 inches of snow. And while the Denver area haven't seen any snow reports for us, there's still been areas like Cedar Point into Parker, Castle Rock, between 2 to 3 inches of snowfall has been reported.